Amazon organizing finds.
Amazon bathroom favorite. These corner organizing shelves are the perfect addition to maximize space in your bathroom. They fold up, come in multiple colors, and also stack so you can take advantage of vertical space.
Amazon bathroom favorites. This over-the-tank toilet paper organizer is perfect for small spaces and rental friendly. This 4-in-1 trash can includes a toilet cleaner and holder, a garbage bag holder so you always have one handy, and is designed to fit into super narrow and small spaces. And these peel and stick handles make lifting and lowering the toilet seat clean and super convenient.
Amazon Home Find. This clear floating shelf is a non-drill option for your shower. The adhesive is very strong and can stick to different types of surfaces. Drains on the sides of the shelf prevent water from collecting. The shelves are wide with a large capacity and can fit many different items.
I love my bathroom, but this trash can is an eyesore. So I grabbed this smart trash can. I wanted something sleek, functional, and something that closed. I love the matte look, and it's also fingerprintless, which I love with having kids. But the best part is, it's touchless. In a bathroom, we all know how important that is. Look how amazing it looks. It's so slim. I love the design. It also has a button where you can open and close it, and voila. Just like that, the eyesore is gone.
A bathroom must-have from Amazon. Okay, this is pretty smart. It's a toilet paper holder that has a built-in shelf on the top so you can store things like your feminine products and have them still be within reach and conveniently placed. It also fits a container of wipes as well so they're hidden, out of sight. You can put room spray in here or whatever else you don't want necessarily displayed on your counter. It also acts as a shelf for your phone, and it comes in 4 different colors and 2 different sizes.
Amazon bathroom bestsellers. First is this automatic mouthwash dispenser that includes 2 magnetic cups and can even be mounted to your wall. Next is this touchless foaming hand dispenser that I love in my bathroom but is even great for your kitchen sink. And this motion sensored trash can that's lid automatically opens and shuts and comes in many different colors and sizes.
Amazon finds.